Yo, what's up guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, let me show you how to add products and services in QuickBooks. Products and services in QuickBooks lets you track what you sell, whether it's physical inventory, digital goods, or services. You can add in them is going to properly ensure accurate invoicing, sales reports, and of course inventory tracking. So let's get started. The first step is to log into QuickBooks Online and open your company's file. Of course, this step-by-step guide is for QuickBooks Online. So log into your QuickBooks Online, open your company file, and then go to the product and service list. Click the gear icon at the top right corner. On the list, you're going to select product and services. Next is to add a new item. So click the new button, and then you're going to choose the type. So it could be inventory, could be non-inventory, service, or bundle. Now once you've selected that, next you're going to fill in the details. So you need the name, the SKU, the category, the sales price or the rates, the income account. You're also going to need to put in the purchase information if applicable, and of course the quantity on hand or reorder points for inventories. Once you're done with all that information, click save and close, or you can click save and new if you want to enter another one. A pro tip is to keep product names consistent and descriptive for easy searching. Also set reorder points for inventory items so that QuickBooks alerts you when stock is low. Likewise, use bundles to speed up invoicing when selling common combinations. And that's pretty much it for the video, guys. Hope you liked it. Hope you found the information here useful enough. If you did, like, share, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.